On this session, are going to talk about parts of the composition itself. So every writing has its own parts. What are the parts of
instructions?
any writing?
Introduction, body, conclusion.
Introduction, body, and conclusion.
Resolution.
Okay, this is our main focus for today. We need to know what is the important points for every part, just to compose and to know how our framework gonna be. The first part, which is, as you mentioned, which is introduction. So what should be there in the introduction? What do you think?
Like have you ever start with
the hook?
The hook. So we
tell
need
the people what's gonna happen.
So our main aim, yes, excellent. So you are attracting the reader's attention or the reader's interest. So you are starting your writing with something that anybody will be interested to continue reading, or she will be interested in your writing. Okay, so might be a question. What else?
Yes, or maybe it might be about you're talking about something,
or maybe
for example,
astonishing.
For example, telling people you should come and try this place or something.
You're making an invitation. What else? So a question is very important. A fact.
An astonishing fact.
Astonishing fact. So you are
statistic.
Yes, something that really strange, maybe unusual or
different.
Surprising.
Excellent.
Yes.
So it's something surprising. So these are the examples of the things that if we are going to write an introduction, we want it to be very exciting. We want it to attract the attention or the interest of the readers. Okay, so you have to put this in your introduction. Right. Let's go to the next part of the writing, which is, what's the next part? What's our the body of the writing itself? What's there? What should be there? How I'm gonna think about my this part of the writings. So we are entering in the main ideas that we are going to tell our readers about. So what are we talking about?
Supporting statements, maybe.
Supporting statements. Support what?
Support to develop the ideas of a topic sentence.
Yeah, so we have our own ideas. We are going to arrange them in paragraphs, and we are going to put some supporting sentences to these ideas. What's very important about these ideas? They should be what? Organized. So our ideas should be organized. Should be maybe how organized? Chronologically, excellent. So it should be arranged one after the other, organized. This is the meaning of
sequence.
The sequence. Excellent. Okay. So we can do what?
We can make the paragraphs in the body or arrange in a logical
or chronological. Okay, excellent. According to the time, at the time they happened. Yeah. So I have an idea, and I'm preparing myself to write some supporting sentences. So how am I going to think about this? So I will think about how many ideas I need to tell or I need to write, right? So I'm putting my ideas in my mind, and I will say that let's say I will start by this one. This is the next one. Can I use drafting?
Yeah.
Can I put some ideas on a draft? One, this is the first idea I need to talk about. This is the second idea. This is the third idea. Like this.
Yes, you can.
Sure.
Then, okay, this will help a lot actually. So then I will try to get some. So I'm going to put some supporting sentences to my idea. So I need to arrange the sequence of the events itself.
To make the story.
I will try to say that about this point I'm gonna talk that much, okay, and about that one I'm going to talk that much, and then I will turn to the other or to the next.
Because a writing is not a story.
No.
Why? It might be a story.
A writing can be a story.
It can be. Why you are saying this? Even in a story, I'm going to choose some ideas and I will put them in order, and then I will try to put some sentences that are supporting these ideas. I can use an idea for every paragraph, for example. Okay, but it's not a must, of course. I can use 2 paragraphs to talk about one idea. It's okay. Then the next part will be
the conclusion.
The conclusion. The conclusion. What about it? What about the conclusion?
You sum up them ideas that you already
Maybe
said.
it is like we are summing up the ideas, or we are getting some sort of collecting all, or stating what we said, or what we need to say, or what we need to tell.
And also the conclusion of a composition concludes or ends a piece of writing.
Yes, of course, this is the main aim. And so we are ending our writing, okay, our words. We are ending everything, and it may be summarizing. And what else? It may be
restating the thesis that you already said in the introduction.
Yes, we are restating the important points that we already mentioned, but in other words.
Yeah.
Or we can use what?
Can we use, like, for example, can we use something that like something that teaches them something?
Yes, we can put the aim of our writing, or
life lessons.
Why we wanted to tell our readers about this part of our life, that we learned a lesson, or some maybe an experience we passed by. So this gave us some help in our way of thinking, or so we are just mentioning this or highlighting this for our readers and telling them how they will make our writing useful for them.
Or maybe
are
the
they
main
gonna
idea.
use? Okay, we said that it will be the main, and you mean the importance of the main idea.
Reinforcing the importance of the main idea.
In a persuasive essay, maybe we'll persuade the readers to do an immediate action.
Maybe we are pushing them, or as she mentioned, reinforcing our writing. And also we can use something like quotations to help them remember it afterwards, or recall it, so it will be put in their memory with them. Okay, as you mentioned, it can be some recommendations for them to do something in particular. Okay, so these are the main parts of our writing, and we are going to go through your writings, and we will see how we applied this into our writing. So we learned the parts. This is the main focus for us, is that we see a well-defined or clear introduction, a body with clear ideas arranged or organized in a way that it is suitable for what you are writing, and a good or an excellent, I'm expecting an excellent conclusion. That was all for today. I wish you liked today's lesson and find it useful. If you want more, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to receive all new videos. Write down in the comments what you've learned from today's lesson. Thank you and bye.